Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to be talking about Etsy Facebook groups and how they are a great resource for anyone out there starting on Etsy to learn and be around like-minded individuals, especially in the beginning when you have a lot of questions and no one to ask. So if you want to learn all about Facebook groups, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to grow an impactful Etsy business, make sure that you do subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos, if not daily videos, to help you build an impactful Etsy business. So make sure that you subscribe today. Show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I wanted to create a video about Facebook groups because I've never talked about it before on an actual video. And it's really important as a new Etsy seller or even as a seasonal Etsy seller to be around like-minded individuals. And nowadays, it's so easy with Facebook. And it's free to join. You don't have to pay for anything. Some Facebook groups you do have to, but majority of them are free to join. And the nice thing about them is that you can meet other individuals that are in the same niche market as yourself. And if you have a question, you could post a question, and there's a lot of experienced sellers there, a lot of Etsy coaches that could help you, and a lot of just people in general that could give you feedback on a question you may have about your store or help you on a specific topic that you can't seem to find elsewhere. And another great thing about joining Facebook groups is that you'll learn so much. Things that it took me like a year and a half to learn, because when I first started Etsy, there weren't that many Etsy Facebook groups. There weren't that many Etsy YouTube videos. It took me a lot longer, and I had to learn through experience. By you joining these Etsy Facebook groups, you are automatically learning faster than the random person that back in the day that we didn't have all these resources. So it's just a great place to be at, especially as a new Etsy seller. So I wanted to recommend 3 groups, one of them being mine. So the first one I wanted to talk about is from the admin name is Irfan Lapstar, and his group is called Etsy Sellers Only. Currently, they have 9,000 members, so that's a really, really large community. And they do about 70 posts per day, which is really big. And Etsy Sellers community is really unique in the sense that you're able to market your products and services. Many Etsy groups, including mine, promoting is not allowed unless it's done on a special occasion. So the fact that they don't have that restricted, and you could go to Etsy Sellers Only and start promoting your products and services is a great way to kind of get your products out there to other people that might be interested. Also, the nice thing about them is that they do provide support as well if you have any questions about Etsy. And in the near future, they intend on adding a Facebook page and an Instagram page where sellers can request to be featured on. So that's really nice to be able to be featured and use that traffic to drive additional traffic to your Etsy business. So I will link all these 3 Etsy groups below in the comment section. So make sure that you join today. Before joining the groups, or once you do join the group, make sure that you read their group board rules so you could follow their rules. Every group has different rules. That way you know that you're not breaking any rules by posting something that shouldn't be posted in that particular group. The second group I wanted to talk about is called Etsy Success and is run by Megan Jates. Megan created the group to be able to provide support to Etsy sellers. Now, the nice thing about Megan is that she has the experience behind Etsy. She currently has 3 Etsy shops, and this is her full-time income. So that shows you she knows what she's doing. The fact that she could do Etsy as a full-time, that's someone I would like to learn from, right? So she has a lot of experience on how to run a successful Etsy business while giving you realistic goals. She's not going to feed you the quick rich, you're going to make money tomorrow. She's very realistic with telling you how it works. And majority of it is just hard work. which is what exactly she does. So this is why I wanted to recommend her group. The group is only for support. So if you need any help with Etsy or questions about your store, you'll be able to go ahead and ask those type of questions. They do offer basic tutorials, one-on-one tutorial for any sellers that need additional help. But I highly recommend checking it out, joining. When you go to the group, like I said, read the group rules. You can also go to announcements and kind of go through them and see. She has the announcements here, and she has all the rules, which is really, really great. And you're able to see mentorship right here and kind of go through it as well. And you're able to just go through it each and look at the discussion and see what kind of questions people are posting, what kind of help they're getting, etc. But I highly recommend joining Etsy Success. And the last group I wanted to talk about is my own group, which is Etsy Seller Support Group. And my group is made up of 19,000 members. Let me see. Etsy Success is pretty big as well. I forgot to mention 11,000 members, which is really impressive. And my group is all about providing value. I try to provide value, as much value as I can. I do post pretty often, once a day. These are all the announcements that I make. So as you could see, when you go through my group, I recommend reading the group rules so that way you are updated with my rules. But these are all posts that I create. This is Brag Friday, where you could promote anything you want. As you can see, 149 people yesterday commented their business, and you're able to promote your products and services. But as you can see, I often post. Once a day, I did a free Etsy course for everyone that you could take. You could come here and check it out as well, or my blog, nancybadillo.com, to sign up for it. But as you can see, I do try to provide as much value as I can. 99% of everything that I provide is free. 99%. I do have a Pinterest course that I highly recommend for anyone out there that's an Etsy seller that want to take their business to the next level. I do recommend taking it. However, everything that I recommend or everything that I provide on my channel or on my group also is free. So you don't have to pay anything for it. But my group is really, really great. I have some amazing group members. We all help each other out. You're able to post questions and you'll get a lot of feedback, especially from a lot of experienced sellers, which is really, really great. So I'm going to leave the link to all three on the bottom of this video. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe today. If you have any questions about Facebook groups, make sure you leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching.